CenterLine Windsor Limited is proud to participate in the Ontario Youth Apprenticeship Program. We continue to bring in 10 students into the program each year. Since 2012, we have brought in almost 140 students. The students enter training in our Machining Fundamentals program. Throughout the student placement, they are rotated and trained in manual mill, sawing, and fabrication assisted by mentors.
Hi, my name is David Rushlow. I go to General Amherst High School.
My name is Adam Legault. I went to General Amherst High.
I am John Miller and I went to Sandwich Secondary School.
Hi, my name is Jillian Chadwick and I graduated from Sandwich Secondary School.
My name is Ben Wiley. I graduated Massey Secondary School and I now work at CenterLine.
Students enrolled in the enhanced OYAP spend 1 year at CenterLine. In addition to the credits they earn at school, they also earn their Level 1 General Machinist Apprenticeship equivalency. The students enrolled in the enhanced program can earn more than $31,000 while working in their placement.
You know, especially in grade 11, being behind a desk 7 hours a day wasn't my type of thing. So I knew OYAP was just perfect for me.
I wanted to join the OYAP program for the opportunities, and I'm not a very good book learner. I prefer the hands-on learning and working like skilled trades.
I wanted to join the OYAP program because early in my high school career, I knew exactly what trade I wanted to be in, and OYAP's like a perfect fast track into a trade or any skilled trade.
The reason I wanted to take OYAP is because I wanted to learn the skills firsthand, to be inside the trades in the general workforce in a fast-paced work environment.
I wanted to join the OYAP program because it's an awesome opportunity to make money while you go to school, and you learn many different skills while working in a hands-on environment.
I'm enjoying the program at CenterLine very much, mainly due to a lot of knowledgeable people in the building, as well as a great atmosphere, great working atmosphere, lots of machines to learn on, and just overall great experience.
I'm joining the program at CenterLine because not only is the work environment great, the people are great, everything about it is just great. You know, I love it. I love it so much.
I'm enjoying the program at CenterLine because I've been given plenty of opportunities, such as now I'm moved into the maintenance department. It's a great opportunity to learn. CenterLine's a good company, a lot of good people, and it's good for developing your skills.
I enjoyed the OYAP program at CenterLine because I made a lot of friends and I have a lot of memories, and I learned a lot of independence and life skills. I was able to adore the trade not many other women try, and I am proud of everything I've accomplished here so far.
I'm enjoying the program at CenterLine because you're able to meet so many different kinds of people with different skill sets, and they're able to teach you so much throughout their different life experiences. I myself, I was fortunate enough to get put into a fitter welder position, so I was able to learn the skills necessary in order to continue on with my chosen trade.
You know, it's great because you get to not only get out of school to work, it's just you get experience, you know? It's great, you know, yeah.
More than 25% of our past OYAP students are enrolled full-time in an apprenticeship or have completed their apprenticeship and are now full-time employees working as industrial mechanics, general and CNC machinists. It is a win-win opportunity for both the students enrolled in the OYAP program and CenterLine. They learn a lifelong skill and we hope to gain a lifelong employee.
I'm now a CNC machinist at CenterLine and registered as an apprentice at St. Clair College in the 3-year General Machinist program.
I would recommend the OYAP program because if you're like me and you don't like the normal school learning with books and you're better with hands-on skills, that's something that you should give a try. It's a good opportunity to develop your skills. It teaches you a lot about your life skills that you will need anyway.
I would recommend the OYAP program to anyone who's looking to get into the trades or is on the fence about going into the trades. You'll learn so much from so many different people, and you'll be able to finally make your decision on whether you want to be inside the trades or not be inside the trades. And if you do choose to stay inside the trades, you'll be able to advance your career extremely far.
I'd recommend OYAP for any high school students that know for sure they want to be in a skilled trade and they want to fast track into that skilled trade. It's a great program for anybody who wants to be in any sort of trade and they want to get extra hours and get ahead of the game when it comes to any sort of skilled trade.
I would recommend the OYAP program because it's a great place to start your career and a great way to earn money for your future. They teach you everything you need to know to get the job done. Don't worry if you feel like you don't have enough experience to join the trades. We all have to start somewhere, and CenterLine is a great place to start.